Hey, this is Braden from McNaught, and I'm going to show you a full tutorial on how to use the all-new MultiPro Tailgate. So, no more handles anymore. It's simply just electronic buttons. So you can not only control it from here, you can also control it from the key fob, as well as from right inside the cabin. And if you just click the bottom button, the tailgate will fold down like a normal tailgate. If we put it back up and just click the top button, we have a workbench. Or we could put this up and now we have a bed extender. So now if we click both buttons at the same time, we have ourselves a step. And actually right here as well, these four pieces can actually be optional speakers if you want to have a fancy tailgate party. Right here we have a handle, so it's an easy, nice big step to get in and out of the box. And the last function for the tailgate would be hit the bottom button again and just flip up this, and now we have a cargo stopper for longer items in the box. It's very useful, and 6 total different functions. Can't really go wrong with this tailgate.